Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about how you can viral your reels on Instagram. So if you want to do this, you just need to follow my step. So if you want to viral your reels, you must need to follow one thing that your account should be a professional account. So if your account is not professional, then click here to more and click here settings, then switch to professional account. That means my account is professional. If your account is not professional, then they give you a option here, switch to professional account. My account is professional, so they show me switch to personal account. Okay, that's the first process. Okay, now click here to privacy. Then you need to do one thing, that is allow mention, make it to everyone. Then who can tag you, it also make it everyone. Now I am going to tell you some main tips for viral your video. Okay, first you need to make a good content, then make a gorgeous thumbnail, then use viral music on your reels, then use Instagram most used tag and use tag on your reels topic, then post reels on right time. Okay, now I am going to show you to upload a video so that you can understand it betterly. Then I am going to create here, then select from computer, then I am going to upload my video. Okay, let's upload this video. This is a tech video about how you can edit your picture like fantasy movie character. Then click here next. So here is the main thing, I made a gorgeous thumbnail so that for this eye catchy thumbnail your mind want to watch my video. Okay, so at first you need to make a eye catchy thumbnail like I make. Okay, now click here next. Here is the main option, write a perfect caption for your video. Like this is the video about how to make my picture as fantasy movie character. So I am write here the perfect caption for this video. Then I am going to give here some emojis for better looking, like this or this. Now I type here some viral tag like hashtag viral, hashtag viral videos, hashtag viral post, hashtag viral reels. Now I'm going to give some tag relate to this video. Okay, like hashtag take video, then hashtag take, then in hashtag edit photo, edit, then hashtag edit photo, hashtag edit photos, then hashtag AI, then hashtag mid journey, then hashtag reels, then hashtag trend photo, hashtag edit trend photo, edit trend. So I put here a perfect caption or put here some viral tag. Now I am going to give here add a location. You also need to add a location for better response like Bangladesh. Then if you are upload this video from mobile, then they give here a option add topic. So you can choose the add topic option for add some topic, like this is the tech video, so I am going to choose tech videos. If your video is blog type of video, then you can choose blog. So remember one thing, when you edit your video, you must use some viral Instagram music. That means those Instagram music which was viral in Instagram, you need to find them and download them and use them on your reels. Okay, I am already use a viral music on this video, on this tech video, but I am not going to listen it because due to copyright issue. Then after that I put here some famous tag or a right caption, then I am going to click here to share. Now I am going to last thing, that is the upload time to your reels for viral. This is the posting time for Asia. Here is Monday Tuesday, Wednesday, but you don't need to follow them. Just follow this final result every day. So every day 5 to 10 p.m. is better time for upload your video, and every day 6 to 10 a.m. is better for upload your video. But you need to remember one thing: 5 to 10 p.m. is most better for upload your video, so your video can be viral in this time. Okay, that's the perfect timetable I made. So now I am going to show you a example. Like, I have another account, I upload here 34 posts and my follower is 71. So I need to show you something, that my follower is not so high. I already upload 34 posts, but my follower is not high. But when you see my video, look, it's 12k, it's 11k, it's 19k, it's 14k, it's 13k. So my video get more views because I use here the famous tag and I upload this video on that timetable. Okay, so if you want to viral your video, just follow my step and upload that video on right time and make a good thumbnail and use them on famous music and upload it on right time. In this way you can also make your video viral on Instagram. One last thing, that is, when you upload regularly, then Instagram will suggest your video to everyone. So try to be regular on Instagram so that your video gets more views and your video will be viral. Okay, thanks for watching.